Sakubona. In this video, I'm going to teach you some common expressions. They are common in both Shona and Ndebele. Okay, so I'll be translating them from Shona to Ndebele to help you learn Ndebele quicker. Okay, let me know if it works. So let's start with the simple greetings. Wamuka say. In Ndebele, you are going to say uvuke njani. Mamuka say livuke njani. Okay. Next, uri kuiteyi wenzani. That's how you ask that question in Ndebele. Uri kuiteyi ipapo wenzani konapo. All right? Uri kumboiteyi ganti wenzani. All right. Moving on. You want to say andide. You're going to say angifuni ngesindebele. Angifuni. Okay? How about andigone? Angikwanisi. But if you want to sound deeper, if you want to say it in deeper Ndebele, say anganelisi. That's the more correct way of saying andigone. Okay. Mira, mana. They sound similar, don't they? Mira ipapo, mana konapo. Okay. Muka, vuga. Again, it's rhyming, right? Muka iwe, vuga wena. Okay. Next, buda panze, puma phandle. Pinda mumba, ngena endlini. So imba in Ndebele is called indlu. Mumba, endlini. Alright? Are you with me so far? You want to say to someone, dzokera ikoko. In Ndebele you will say, buyela khona ngale. Alright? Buyela is dzokera. Hunza, leta. Hunza pano, leta lapha. Hunza mari yangu, leta imali yami. Alright. And then, if you wanted to ask the question, hanzichi, you're gonna say, gutiwani. So this is the longer way of saying it, or the way we write it. Okay? However, in conversation, you hear people saying, gutwani. Okay, people don't say gutiwani, they just say gutwani. Alright, meaning anzichi. And then anzitsoka, gutwa penduga. Okay, anzisiyana naye, gutwa chiyana laye. Anzisiyana naye mkazi ye anoneza. Gutwa chiyana laye umfazi lo uyahlupa. Alright. And then in the evening, you're going to say, Maswera say, in Ndebele you will say, lichone njani. Or, Waswera say, uchone njani. Alright, that's all I have for you today. Let me know if you're enjoying this. Let me know if you want more Shona expressions translated to Ndebele. And let me see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.